Hey guys, what's up? I'm back and today I with slime! And Cheyenne. So I have this made out of glitter glue. And then she has this one and this one, which I made. Except she made this one, I made this one. She made some and then mixed it into ghosts. So I'll be right back. Hold it still.
Huh? What are you doing this time?
Yeah, can you hold the video so it can see? Just follow everywhere I go. Because, like, I'll do...
Does Caleb videotape this for you sometimes?
Nope.
Or does he not know about your YouTube
I have a
channel?
stand, which I couldn't bring it because my stand is books. I stack up books. Lift it up, lift it up. You can see.
Is Caleb allowed on the porch?
He's not allowed outside. Sorry guys for the talking.
She has her own YouTube channel.
You're annoying.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What happened to this slime?
My slimy! Come here. Lily gave me this. You feel it? Does it feel? I said, Lana, give me it. This feels so good.
Don't touch any buttons. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to poke some holes and then stick some contact solution in it if you want it watery. And then you're just going to mix that in.
Now, like, if we have a sleepover and I have like a bunch of glue, I should bring it over and then I should buy my own like shaving cream and like
I have
activator.
shaving cream. Do a little bit of bubble, just water. See, watch.
That's cool. I want to play with my glitter slime.
You're going to have to wait.
No, I'm playing with it with one hand. She's
I'm
not.
going to put that back.
She's using my contact solution. My mom.
Yes, I am.
Slime ball is where I go.
Make sure you can see it. Can you like put it just like that? Sorry.
Can I feel it?
Yeah. I'm gonna take my shoes off because I'm not comfy doing this in this position.
Oh.
Ready? Make sure that I can see it. You can stand up if you have to.
Wait, I know stand you can make.
What?
Like, you pry, like.
I know. I know, I've tried it. It doesn't work. I've tried every stand. I know what
Wait,
you're talking about.
Wait, can't you like move the table up and like lean it up against it? That would actually work.
Why, are you bored of holding it?
Is it still videotaping this way, or is it doing the wall?
Where'd the glue go?
It's going to be upside down for a second.
Where'd the glue go? Did you throw it away?
No. What? The glue? The
The one that was over there.
glue?
The empty bottle of glue.
Yes, I threw it out into the recycling.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get more out of it.
Why?
Okay.
Why? Do you want more slime? Yeah, there's more in there. I can see it.
There's a lot more in here. Is that good or bad?
It's good.
Is it okay if I make more?
Yeah.